Beep, 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 beep. Please like and subscribe. Beep, 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 beep. Let's begin this video now. I'm hungry. I better go down. Where's the drink? Oh, I ate it. Damn you, Foxy. Damn you. Let's go and get some money. Okay, let's go get food. Let's go. Are you the guy where we get our food? No. Oh, you're knocked out. So, why is your fort so night? Is it knocked down? Nothing. It says nightmare right there. Oh, does it? It says nightmare right there. Like right there, man. Fine. Just look what you want to get. That'd be fun. Let's get that.
Captain, also check. I'm pretty sure I'm Captain Underpants.
Well, it costs 100. We could both pay up. I mean, we'll have 50. But then Fun Time also has like 50, so we could both get one for ourselves. Why does it say mirror at the bottom? None of your business. I guess we'll get Fun Time for both of us. Okay. Everyone. Oh my god, we got these 2 drinks. Let's go to bed now. Okay?